In this video, I'm going to present how graphs can be drawn using the chart.js package. In particular, I want to show how faults can be marked on normal line graphs, like this one's. Now let's look into the second folder. First, let's look into the HTML file. So here's how it is used. So we have this data, we have this label, and we have this arbitrary numbers. And this is how the faults can be marked. So here are the X and Y location of the faults, and I'm going to color them as red with the radius of 10 and a border width of 5. And here is the rest. Like before, I'm going to rename a HTML to EJS, and I'm going to make the necessary changes to it. For example, instead of having fixed data points, I'm going to get them through my HTML chart labels and HTML data points. And here's the main fault detector. Like before, I have the express IP path and clone, and here is the slash. And when it comes to slash, first I'm going to generate some random colors, and then I'm going to fill up these values x1 and x2, and I'm going to push them into these data objects. And eventually I'm going to pass them on to this web page fault detector EJS. So let's compile it and see how it works. Now let's execute the file, and now let's open it. And here is how it was rendered. So these values are sent to this EJS file, and here is the sensor data, sensor 1 and sensor 2, and these are the faults as I marked.